How to add OpenAI API Key to Cursor AI Full Setup Tutorial. To add your OpenAI API Key to Cursor AI in 2025, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open OpenAI into your browser. So head over to platform.openai.com, and then in here, go ahead and click on this Get Started button, and then click on this Create an API Key button, and that will take you into this section. So on this section, you'll be able to create new secret keys for your OpenAI account. So click on this Create New Secret Key button and then name this as Cursor AI. And then go ahead and click on this Create Secret Key to be able to allow OpenAI to generate the API key for you. So copy this API key and then head over to Cursor AI. And then on Cursor AI, click on the Settings button at the bottom left corner of your screen and then click on Agent Settings. Now this will take you into this section. Scroll down and name this. So under the user secrets, go ahead and name this as OpenAI, and then paste the API key that you've got from OpenAI into the section, and then click on this Create button. And that is how you can basically add OpenAI API key to Cursor AI.